Hello and welcome. You're watching ET Markets. I'm Tanya Neja. Well, the RBI Monetary Policy Committee hiked the repo rate by 50 basis points to 5.4% from 4.9% earlier. Very much in line with what the street was expecting. And with this, the RBI has effectively raised rates by 180 basis points since April. So what's next for the Indian markets and what are the technical charts suggesting? Well, Mr. Osho Krishan from Angel One Ltd is joining in to tell us about the key levels to watch out for and his top 5 technical bets for the near term. Thank you so much, Osho, for joining us on ET Markets.
Yeah, good morning, Tanya. It's a privilege to be on the show.
Osho, the rate hike is very much in line, and experts now believe that the momentum in the market would be influenced by global cues and FII buying. But also, we are not out of the woods yet. I mean, in terms of global geopolitical tensions and recessionary fears. So, where are the markets headed in the near term, according to you, and what do the technical charts suggest?
Yeah, starting from the RBI policy outcome, which was very much in line with the market because we were already expecting that 50 basis point will be something that market has already factored in. Yeah. And looking at the overall momentum in the global market, because all the countries have their rate hikes in the recent period, so it was quite obvious that our market will also suffice the rate hikes, and that is what has been seen in the entire week. Because if we will see this week, the previous week, it has been a very strong week for the bulls because from the levels of 16,800 on Nifty, it has marched towards 17,500. But no doubt, people have been cautious ahead of the RBI policy outcome. So that's what has been relevant on the technical charts also, because from the past 3 days, Nifty has been trading in a very narrow range of 17,200 to 17,500. But overall, the momentum has been maintained on a very bullish front. And we are expecting that this momentum should continue even in the coming future also. But if we will see the overall technical structure, then there has been some kind of a strong resistance at 17,500. Although this week we have seen a lot of influence from the IT sector. IT sector has been one of the major outperformers in the entire week because many of the mid-cap IT and large-cap ITs have given a very strong reversal kind of patterns on a daily and weekly charts. Even the banking was something on a subdued note because of the RBI policy. But after the RBI policy outcome has came, so we are expecting that even Bank Nifty should also start performing from here onwards. On Bank Nifty, the levels that we are very much looking for is 38,500 because it is something where we are having a very strong resistance for Bank Nifty. So once it crosses decisively above the same levels, then we can see the continuation of the bullish trend. But this week, we have seen a lot of participation from pharma counters and even the metal counters also. So at these moments, we have to be very much cautious because market is at very high levels. So there should be some kind of profit booking that can pitch into as of now. But till the time we are holding 17,000 on Nifty, we are having a bullish view for the time being. And on the higher end, the time when we decisively cross 17,500 levels, then we can see the rally to be inching upwards towards 17,800.
Okay, absolutely. That's the word coming in. And now let's come to your top technical bets. I mean, stocks that you are betting on at this point in time.
Looking at the current market scenario, IT pack is looking very, very bullish, and we are expecting the outperformance from the IT sector. So major of the technical pick that I have sorted out is from the IT pack. The first one is Tech Mahindra. Okay. Tech Mahindra has given a upside gap breakout, which is having a support of 1,000 levels. Currently, it is trading at 1,050. So people should accumulate at these levels, keeping a stop loss at 1,000 level for the immediate upside target of 1,120. The second counter is again from the mid-cap IT. It is Birlasoft. Birlasoft is also looking very, very aggressive. It has formed a double bottom formation and it is looking very nice for the short-term period. The immediate upside target is of 365 in Birlasoft and the support is placed around 332 levels. The third counter is from the NBFC sector, L&T Finance. L&T FH is having a very strong setup of consolidation in the entire last month. So we are witnessing some kind of consolidation breakout in LNTFH. Even positive crossover has been seen in LNTFH. So we are expecting that in near terms, it should test 79 to 80 levels. And on a safer side, we should keep our stop loss near to 72 levels. The fourth counter is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, after a very long time, it has again started gaining some traction, and we are expecting that the sustenance above 700 levels can again give a boost to the counter for the upside target of 740 to 745. On the downside, the stop loss should be kept around 675 levels. And the last one is from the banking counter. Axis Bank is looking very strong. Axis Bank is having a consolidation range as of now, but we are expecting that consolidation range should break out in the coming week. So we are expecting the target of 765 in Axis Bank, and on the safer side, the stop loss should be kept at 700 levels.
Okay, absolutely. So Tech Mahindra, Birlasoft, L&T Finance, Bharti Airtel and Axis Bank. These are the 5 technical picks coming in from Osho. On that note, thank you so much for joining us here on ET Markets, for taking the time out for us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.